Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our discussion on how to grow on social media in 2024. In this ever-evolving digital world, it's crucial for businesses and brands to be present on social media platforms to connect with their audience and drive growth. Let's dive into some key strategies that will help you thrive in the year 2024. 1. Diversify your presence. In order to reach a wider audience, it's important to have a diverse presence on various social media platforms. Consider platforms that your target audience uses most often and where they spend most of their time online. 2. Be authentic. Building genuine relationships with your audience is key to long-term growth. Share personal experiences, opinions, and insights to create a sense of connection and trust. 3. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, messages, and posts promptly and thoughtfully. This not only helps build stronger relationships, but also increases the likelihood of your content being shared and engaged with. 4. Optimize your content. Use clear, concise, and attention-grabbing text and visuals to share your content. Optimize for search engines using relevant keywords and hashtags to increase visibility. 5. Collaborate with others. Partner with influencers, other businesses, or organizations in your industry to reach new audiences and gain exposure. 6. Analyze and adapt. Use analytics tools to measure the success of your campaigns and strategies. Continuously optimize your approach based on data and feedback. 7. Be consistent. Maintain a regular posting schedule and create a consistent brand identity to build trust and loyalty with your audience. In conclusion, to grow on social media in 2024, it's important to have a diversified presence, be authentic, engage with your audience. Optimize your content, collaborate, analyze, and be consistent. By implementing these strategies, you'll be well on your way to achieving your social media goals. Good luck, and happy growing!